All right, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Thanks so much for subscribing to this channel. Our prayer has been that the good Lord will continue to support you all in all your endeavors as you keep supporting this channel. We say a very big amen to that, my people. Well, my people, this is another one reaching us right now. Oduduwa Nation no going back? Exactly what the people are still talking about. All right, my people. This is exactly the reason why the Yoruba Nation agitators have been clamoring for their own nation simply because of what is happening. Well, my people, in case you don't understand, you don't know, Atiku Abubakar, who is from the north, has finally emerged the PDP presidential candidate for 2023 presidential election, and then this happened from the primaries. Well, and then as we speak right now, majority of things are being calculated. Yeah, so and then what are we talking about? And then according to what have been gathered, in fact, as we speak right now, the president of Nigeria, Buhari, is not in the country. And then this time around, the APC presidential aspirants are now on a scale of only God knows where they will they will get themselves, because right now as we speak a lot of things are going to come up, because the northerners have said it earlier that they are born to rule. Well, where are we going to? As we speak right now, Atiku emerged the PDP presidential candidate for 2023, beating Governor Yesom Wike hands down. This is to tell you that as far as the South is concerned, as far as the Southwesterners are concerned, I'm not sure the Northerners will allow this set of people to get there. Well, from our analysis, from what had been gathered so far, right now, Tinubu or Shibajo and the Wike, a lot of people are saying our market. This is another serious one. Our market, because right now the APC primaries had been extended, had been shifted. Now there's going to be another strategy. And what are we talking about? If you remember vividly, Tambua at the 11th hour hangs down for Atiku. Tambua, who was also an aspirant under PDP, hands down for Atiku, and then asked all his supporters to support Atiku. This is a game plan. And then right now, we have seen a lot of situations, a lot of things have been happening in this setting. If you take a very good look at the strategy the Northerners played, they brought somebody like Shibajo, who is a Yoruba man from the southwest, to go against another southwesterners who is Bola Ahmed Tinubu. This set of people, according to what had been gathered, that the northerners know how to play the game. They tried their best possible to turn these people against each other. Now the southwesterners are of the opinion that who do we vote for? Now we have, you can imagine, now we have two of these people coming from our hand, and some set of them are for Oshibajo, while the others are for Bola Ahmed Tinubu and the rest of them. Right now, they have put some kind of misunderstanding between Bola Ahmed Tinubu and Oshibajo, meaning if there is any plan to deal with Oshibajo, Tinubu will will be happy about it, will not try to save Osinbajo. And at the same time, if there's any coup to set Bola Ahmed Tinubu up, Osinbajo himself will not say anything, meaning definitely will support the Northerners to deal with his own brother. That had been the strategy. And then right now, it's only God that will help us. No wonder the set of people, the Yorubas, are of the opinion that Oduduwa nation, no going back. Everybody wake up. This is another thing. Then right now, the somebody like Ahmed Lawan, who is on also under the APC, contesting for the presidency, will now be the person that will be supported to to who is a northerner, to contest, because right now after the primaries you will see what is going to happen. Right now, with the news reaching us, the president is not in the country simply because they know what they are doing. Right now, the primaries for the APC had been rescheduled for another day. And then we have somebody like Ahmed Lawan for the APC, of whom we already know that the Northerners are not going to vote for either Bola Ahmed Tinubu, no, or Osinbajo, meaning automatically another Northerner will be contesting, will emerge the APC presidential candidate, making it one Northerner from PDP and the other one a Northerner from APC. Now you understand. So what is going to happen to the Southwest? Because right now they have turned them against each other. And then meanwhile, we still have somebody like, hey, I know a lot of people be like, oh, the analysis is making sense. Yes, and some set of people might be like, I beg, no be so. But I know majority of people will understand what we are talking about. We are all watching. Then another person in the house talking about good luck Ebele Jonathan. And then with what we have gathered so far, the Northerners actually bought the APC tickets for good luck Ebele Jonathan. And then somebody like good luck Ebele Jonathan is just watching everybody, is watching them, because definitely he is still supporting Buhari, simply because the last time that they voted him out, majority of them said Buhari is the man. And then good luck Ebele Jonathan, who is also a politics. This is a game of politics. In case you don't know, it's a dirty game. Good luck Ebele Jonathan on his own part is like, anyhow is going to be, I cannot kill myself for the Southerners simply because they dealt with me and they voted Buhari in. This time around, anyhow it is, we take it. And then no wonder Bola Ahmed Tinubu said it earlier that in fact he started saying this at the 11th hour that, even if I do not win, I will come home. I will not kill myself. Now later we can't hear this one from him simply because he has foreseen all these things from the beginning at the 11th hour, so to say. He didn't see them from the beginning, but he saw these ones, at the 11th hour, when he saw the way the whole movement is going. Right now, the Fulani had turned his back against his own brother, Osinbajo, right now. Yes, who is now the third person that the Northerners are looking out for, and that person is Ahmed Lawan, the Senate president, okay, who is also a Northerner. That is why, all these people, when the Yoruba nation agitators are of the opinion that we cannot continue like this, there's nothing like one Nigeria, a lot of them do not believe. But thank God right now the Oduduwa nation had worked it to the part of 5 million petition. And then one thing, majority of all these agitators said a lot of things earlier, that all of una wey be say una comot, say una no wan support Yoruba nation, make una no worry o, we go actualize this Yoruba nation. The Yoruba nation shall be actualized, but one thing is, after we don actualize this Yoruba nation, na back seat all of una go dey. And then as it stands right now, this is to tell you that the Yoruba nation agitation, in fact, it's going to be actualized. There's no two ways about it. And then right now, somebody like Bola Ahmed Tinubu will not be regretting that, hey, had I know, because see, the northerners know what they are doing. A lot of them spent millions of naira, all the money that they were supposed to spend in the western part of the country to, make, to develop southwest. They were busy pumping the money into the northern part. They believe the northerners will vote for them, and they forgotten that the northerners have said it, that they are born to rule. Now they allowed all of them to be paying the sum of 100 million to obtain before the form, of which they already knew that then they go nowhere. Shebi una get the money, make una the pack and come, we go collect am. But still, the money is going to the south, is going to the north. My people, Oduduwa nation, no going back. No wonder the people, in fact, we need to give kudos to somebody like Professor Banji Akintoye, Sunday Igboho, Professor Wale Adeniran, a lot of them like that, who are actually the genuine Yoruba nation agitators, not the traitors. Right now, this set of people already know foreseen what is coming, that there can never be one Nigeria, because these people, hey, they no love us. We know they can never change, and exactly what it is. And then right now, many things are unfolding. Don't say I do not tell you, or don't say I did not tell you. Right now, the northerners are expecting the southwesterners who are contesting. They are expecting them to spend more money. They want to collect all their money from them. Now Atiku has emerged the PDP presidential candidate, and then the next person, it is well, because they know fully well that somebody like Wike, even if he wins, of which, with the news reaching us, there was some kind of mago in it. Even if he wins, he will not go anywhere. You can imagine. And right now, that's another northerner coming out for the presidential flag. Is now the flag bearer for PDP, in case you don't know. Atiku emerged that. And then right now, most definitely, with the information reaching us, it has been said that somebody like Goodluck Jonathan will step down for Ahmed Lawan, just like Tambua stepped down for Atiku. And in fact, he even announced it. He asked all his followers to vote for Atiku. That's a game of politics. Well, the northerners already know. They know that somebody like Bola Ahmed Tinubu is a master when it comes to politics. They knew all the game plans. That was why they tried to distract him by pushing out Oshibajo, who is his brother, to tackle him, so that even the people that want to vote for them will not be like confused that, oh, who do we now vote for? So that they will now divide the followers of Atiku. They will now divide the followers of Bola Ahmed Tinubu and the followers of Oshibajo. Then let's see who and who will vote. Exactly what we are talking about. But this time around, Yoruba nation, oh my goodness, a lot of things are going to go wrong, my people, because right now the northerners are coming back. Yes, because right now, for the part of PDP, Atiku is the flag bearer. He has won the primary. And then for the APC party, there's no doubt Ahmed Lawan is going for it. Well, my people, Oduduwa Nation, no going back, and then exactly what it is. Well, what more can we say? My brother, my sister, make una pray well. All right, my people, Oduduwa Nation, no going back, and exactly what the people are still talking about. All right, meanwhile, let me have your own take on this, my people, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you are new on this channel. All right. Thanks and God bless.